Story 7. The son of a wealthy but avaricious old man, having fallen sick, his well-wishers advised him that it would be proper to get the whole Quran recited, or else to offer a sacrifice. He meditated a while and then said, "It is preferable to read the Quran because the flock is at a distance." A holy man who had heard this afterwards remarked, "He selected the reading of the Quran because it is at the tip of the tongue, but the money at the bottom of the heart." It is useful to bend the neck in prayers if they are to be accompanied by almsgiving. So the postures matter, but there's other stuff to do too once you leave the prayer. For 1 dinar, he would remain sticking in mud like a donkey. But if thou askest for Alhamdu, he will recite it 100 times. Alhamdulillah, 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 Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah, 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 Alhamdulillah. All praise therefore the singular and definitive deity.